Hi, welcome back to Sophia's Art Supply Review, where I unbox art products and give you my honest opinion on them. In this video, I would be unboxing the Sonnet Studio Gouache set of 16 colors. The Sonnet series are manufactured by the very famous Nevskaya Palitra brand, which also manufactures White Night series, Masterclass and the Decola brand. The Sonnet series are primarily intended for beginners who are learning painting skills and are required to make sketches and rough paintings. These paints are relatively affordable since they are produced using synthetic binders and do not contain any expensive pigment like cobalt and cadmium. In fact, these expensive inorganic pigments are replaced by light-fast organic ones, and the percentage of binders, additives and fillers in the composition is increased, bringing down the overall cost of the product. The other great feature about these paints is that it can be virtually applied to any smooth surface, although they are most popularly used on paper, cardboard and padded canvas. These paints are said to possess high covering ability, creating a matte velvety surface which can easily be washed off with water if required. The Sonnet Gouache palette is also fairly impressive and consists of 38 colors, 12 basic, 11 pearl, 8 fluorescent and 7 metallic. The set that we are unboxing today contains 16 colors, which includes all the basic 12 colors, an additional jar of titanium white and 3 metallic colors. The paint comes in this beautifully designed square paper box with text written both in English and Russian. The back of the box has a swatch card of all the colors included, along with the details of their light fastness, which is indicated by an asterisk. There is some more information about the paint, composition, usage and storage mentioned here. When you lift the lid, you see the 16 jars arranged in 4 neat rows and columns. Each jar contains 20 ml of paint, and as mentioned earlier, there are 2 jars of titanium white, which is extremely generous since white is the most often used color in a gouache painting. There is no information about the paint on the jar itself, but it's easy to visually match the colors to the swatch card given at the base of the box. The caps of the jar are not easy to twist and open, and you may need to release the seal with a sharp pen knife. Now let's proceed to do a swatch test. The Sonnet Gouache colors have a rich creamy texture with a smooth consistency. They're easy to apply on paper and are quick to dry. The colors are bright and vibrant with excellent coverage and opaqueness. The color spectrum is also well balanced with the potential to handle a wide range of painting ideas. I especially like this quirky bluish green shade, which I believe would work really well with water subjects. The 3 metallic colors of gold, silver and bronze included can also be extremely useful to give highlights or use them for calligraphy and decorative work. Now let's use these colors in a small sketch and check their mixability. The Sonnet Gouache paints are easy to mix, opening up a potential to create a wider palette. It's also fairly easy to create both opaque and transparent finish with these paints. It beautifully allows layering and correction of mistakes, making these paints extremely versatile and easy to use. Overall, the Sonnet Studio Gouache set comes with great features such as bright, vibrant, yet a balanced color palette, good affordability, great coverage, and the adaptability to a large variety of surface area, making it an excellent choice for beginners as well as professionals. Another great gouache set from the Nevskaya Palitra brand is the Masterclass Professional Gouache colors. So check out my complete review on this set in this next video. If you enjoyed this video, do click the like button and do subscribe to my channel to watch an art supply review every Wednesday.